Hi, in today's video we'll explain how to withdraw money from Cash App without needing a bank account. Stay with us until the end to get the full details. There are two main methods to accomplish this: using your Cash App card to send funds to friends and using a prepaid debit card. First, let's discuss sending funds to friends using your Cash App card. Open the Cash App and tap the $sign button. Enter the amount you want to send and tap Pay. Then, enter the phone number, email address, or cash tag of your friend and tap Pay again to confirm the transaction. This allows you to transfer money to someone who can then give you the cash. The second method involves utilizing a prepaid debit card. Start by finding a prepaid debit card that offers great features and affordable fees. Create an account with the card provider and link your Cash App account to this prepaid debit card. Transfer the money from Cash App to the prepaid card. Once the funds are on the prepaid debit card, you can withdraw the money from an ATM. Alternatively, you can use the debit card to make purchases directly. And that's it. Withdrawing money from Cash App without a bank account is straightforward and easy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.